Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing a compatible 2.5 SATA SSD and a small Phillips screwdriver. That matters because the Ps4 uses SATA, not NVMe. Next, make a full backup of saves to USB or cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, prepare a USB stick formatted as XFAT, create a Ps4/update folder, and place the full system reinstall file named Ps4update, PUP inside. Do this now, then power off and unplug the console so you can move straight into the swap. You'll now open the HDD bay and remove the factory drive, keep screws in a safe spot. Carefully transfer the metal mounting bracket to your new SSD and fasten it so the drive seats flush. This prevents vibration and connection issues. Slide the SSD assembly back into the bay until it clicks, then replace and tighten the caddy screws. Make sure the connector is fully seated, otherwise the system won't see the drive. Once assembled, reconnect power so you can reinstall the system software. You'll power on into safe mode by holding the power button until a second beep. Choose Reinstall System Software and point to the Ps4 update. PUP on your USB drive. This installs the OS to the new SSD. After setup, restore your backup and check game installs and load times to confirm success. If the console does not recognize the drive, stop, power down, reseat the SSD, make sure it's a 2.5 SATA drive, and verify the USB file path and file name.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.